Want to add a cool spinning effect to your videos? In today's tutorial, I will show you a super easy way to do it in DaVinci Resolve. Perfect for leveling up your editing skills. You can choose any circle or round object that you want to make it rotate. In this case, we're going to be using a tire. We're going to put our tire onto our timeline, and we're going to stretch this out to at least 6 seconds. And with that timeline highlighted, go over to your Fusion page. Once you're in the Fusion page, click on your media in and control space and add a transform node. Once we add that and the node is highlighted, you want to go over to the inspector tab. And once in that window, you want to put in this formula under angle. Type in equal first, then this formula, and press enter. This number 60 is the speed in which this tire is rotating. It'll rotate from any speed from 1 up. Now move over to our timeline, and then you can start this, and now you can see that our tire will rotate 1 360 degree turn. You can extend this timeline out longer and make it spin more. The longer the timeline, the more revolutions this will do. If you increase that number 60, it'll go and spin faster.